In this video, I will be showing you how to design an open house flyer in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by searching for open house flyer templates in the search bar to see what's available. But today I want to create something unique from scratch. I'll click on the Create Blank option to open up a fresh canvas. Over in the Elements tab, I'll search for a modern house. Once I find a photo that fits the vibe, I'll add it to the page. Right-click and set it as the background. To create a professional look for my text, I'll search for sage green elements. I'm selecting this gradient graphic, rotating it 90 degrees, and stretching it to cover the side of the flyer. I'll also use the flip tool to make sure the gradient fades perfectly into the image. Now I'll add a text box and type in open house. I'm choosing a bold, stylized font to give it some character, and then scaling it up so it's the main focus. To make the letters really pop, I'll go into the Effects menu to add a black outline and then change the main text color to white. Next, I'll search the elements for some line art to find a simple horizontal divider. I'll place this right under the heading and change the color to white to keep the theme consistent. I'll add another text box to include the event details, typing in the date and time. I'm going to change this font to a clean, modern sans serif and group the text together to make it easier to position on the gradient. For the final touch, I'll add the property address at the bottom. I'll adjust the font style and line spacing to ensure it's easy to read, then change the color to white so it stands out against the green overlay. Once the design is finished, I'll click Share, select Download, and save the flyer as a high-quality PDF. And just like that, you have a professional open house flyer ready to print.